Namaste and welcome. This guided meditation focuses on sensing opposite areas of the body, drawing your focus back and forth in rhythmic patterns to help pause habitual stress patterns and to help settle the mind into a place of more ease. Thank you for meditating with me. Let's begin. Make yourself comfortable, sitting in a chair or lying down, your back straight if possible, arms and legs symmetrical. Do what's comfortable for you. Close your eyes if that feels right. And as you breathe in, you may want to gently shrug your shoulders slightly up towards your ears. And when you breathe out, release the shoulders, also releasing tension.